പ്ലാറ്റിനം ജൂബിലി സമാപന സമ്മേളനത്തിന്റെ ഈ സന്തോഷത്തിന്റെ സന്ധ്യയിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളെ എല്ലാവരെയും സന്തോഷത്തോടെ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു.
पीछे पीछे भैया पीछे हो जाओ।
പ്ലാറ്റിനം ജൂബിലി സമാപന സമ്മേളനത്തിന്റെ ഈ സന്തോഷത്തിന്റെ സന്ധ്യയിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളെ എല്ലാവരെയും സന്തോഷമായി സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ വിശിഷ്ട അതിഥിയായിട്ട് എത്തിച്ചേരേണ്ടുന്നത് ഈ ഡൽഹി സ്റ്റേറ്റിന്റെ ലഫ്റ്റനന്റ് ഗവർണർ ശ്രീ തജേന്ദ്ര ഖന്ന അവർകളാണ്. വിശിഷ്ട അതിഥിയായിട്ട് ശ്രീ മുല്ലപ്പള്ളി രാമചന്ദ്രൻ അവർകൾ, അദ്ദേഹത്തെയും എല്ലാ അതിഥികളെയും നമ്മുടെ ഈ സമ്മേളന നഗറിന്റെ പ്രധാന കവാടത്തിൽ നിന്ന് ആദരപൂർവ്വം ആഘോഷപൂർവ്വം സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ചെറിയ വരവേൽപ്പിന്റെ ചടങ്ങ് ക്രമീകരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. മാർത്തോമൻ പൈതൃകത്തിന്റെ പാരമ്പര്യം ഏറുന്നതിന്റെ സൂചകമായിട്ട് പൗരാണികമായ ഡ്രസ് കോഡിൽ നമ്മുടെ സ്ത്രീജനങ്ങളും എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവരെല്ലാവരും കൂടെ ചേർന്ന് വാദ്യമേളങ്ങളുടെ അകമ്പടിയോടുകൂടെ വിശിഷ്ട അതിഥികളെ ഈ സമ്മേളന നഗറിലേക്ക് അധികം താമസിയാതെ വരവേൽക്കുന്നതാണ്. ആ സമയത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും അതിൽ സംബന്ധിച്ച് എഴുന്നേറ്റ് നിന്ന് ആദരപൂർവ്വം അതിഥികളെ സ്വീകരിക്കണമെന്ന് സ്നേഹത്തോടെ അറിയിക്കുന്നു. ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട വൈദികർ കുറച്ചുപേർ കൂടെ വിശിഷ്ടാതിഥികളെ സ്വീകരിപ്പാൻ തക്കവണ്ണം പ്രധാന കവാടത്തിലേക്ക് എത്തിച്ചേരേണ്ടതാണ്.
Good evening, one and all present here. A warm welcome to you all on this joyous evening. We have gathered here to share the joy of the valedictory function of the year-long Platinum Jubilee celebrations of the Orthodox Christian Youth Movement. The OCYM Delhi Diocese, under the aegis of the First Orthodox Parish in Delhi, St. Mary's Orthodox Cathedral, Hoskas, is hosting this event. Holiness Moral Mar Basilios Martoma Paulos II. In its origins as Christianity itself, remaining rooted in the positive aspects of the indigenous culture, they have constantly tried to live by the original apostolic faith, resisting reform or revision, true to the spirit of the concept orthodox, which means the true faith and right glorification of God. It has a strength of over 2 million members in about 1900 parishes, mainly in Kerala, and spread all over India and in many parts of the globe. Eastern in origin and Asian in its moorings, the Indian Church aged through this period. It is a time to reflect back from where we started and look forward to greater contributions in the society. The Delhi unit of Orthodox Christian Youth Movement takes pleasure to welcome you all to this joyous evening, the valedictory function of the year-long celebration commemorating the 75-year-old existence of the movement. Let us start the program with the prayer to the Almighty. May I request everyone to stand up for the prayer song. The song was rendered by the School of Sacred Music, Delhi Diocese. The lighting of the lamp symbolizes the blissful journey from the darkness of ignorance and illiteracy towards the light of knowledge through the path of sacrifice. I request our distinguished guests to come forward and light the lamp. Dr. Yohanan Mar Demetrius, the Assistant Metropolitan of Delhi Diocese, is the source of inspiration for all our activities. May I request Your Grace to deliver the welcome address.
Your Grace, Yohanan Mar Polycarpos, President of the Orthodox Christian Youth Movement and President of this meeting, Your Holiness Basilios Martoma Paulos II, Catholicos of the East and Malankara Metropolitan Supreme Head of the Indian Orthodox Church, Your Excellency Sri Tajendra Khanna, Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Honorable Sri Mullapalli Ramachandran, Union Minister of Home Affairs, Very Reverend M.S. Kariya Ramban, Secretary Delhi Diocese, Reverend Father Jacob Matthew, Vice President, Orthodox Christian Youth Movement, Reverend Father Stephen Varghese, General Secretary, Orthodox Christian Youth Movement, Reverend Father Philip M. Samuel, Vice President, Orthodox Church Youth Movement, Diocese of Delhi, Reverend Fathers, delegates to the Platinum Jubilee valedictory function of the OCYM, and dearly beloved brothers and sisters, on this historic occasion that we are celebrating the valedictory function and conference of the OCYM, I consider it a privilege and a pleasure to offer a word of welcome on this occasion. Our special welcome is extended to His Grace, Yohanan Mar Polycarpos, not only for being present on this occasion and overseeing our conference and its arrangement, but also presiding over this conference and its sessions and this meeting. On behalf of all those present and of all the delegates and on personal behalf, we extend to you, Your Grace, our most hearty welcome. Our hearty welcome is extended to His Holiness Basilios Martoma Paulos II, Catholicos of the East and Malankara Metropolitan. There is no doubt that in our minds We have a Catholicos whose devotion to God, inspirational leadership, and dedication and commitment to the church has set standards far above anyone that we have seen. On behalf of all the faithful gathered here, Your Holiness, and your faithful children who dedicate their loyalty and their lives to you, we extend to you, Your Holiness, our most warm welcome. His Excellency Sri Tajendra Khanna is a well-known name among the Orthodox Christians in Delhi, even though his face may not be that familiar. The characteristic of the in his personal capacity has been a source of assistance and help to all of us, and especially to the Malankara Orthodox Church. Your Excellency, from the bottom of our hearts, we extend to you our most cordial welcome. Sri Mullapalli Ramachandran, Honorable Union Minister of State for Home Affairs, must be part of the larger picture of how this country enjoys so much security in the context of our difficult situation in the subcontinent. Not only that, he comes from our own state of Kerala, and his interest in our gatherings and in our church's activities is clearly evinced by his presence here this evening. On behalf of all those present, Honorable Minister, we extend to you our most warm welcome. Our special welcome is extended to Very Reverend M.S. Kariya Ramban, the Secretary of the Diocese of Delhi, Reverend Father Jacob Matthew, Vice President OCYL, and Reverend Father Stephen Varghese, the General Secretary of the OCYL, who are all present here to offer felicitations on this important evening. To all of you, we extend our very warm welcome. We also extend our warm welcome to Reverend Father Philip M. Samuel, the Vice President of the Orthodox Church Youth Movement. In his official capacity, he is certainly very much present in our midst, and therefore, on behalf of all, we extend to you our warm welcome. To all the Reverend Fathers who are present here this evening, to the Reverend Deacon who is present here, may on behalf of the OCYM and on behalf of the Delhi Diocese extend to all of you our most cordial welcome. To all the delegates who have attended, who are attending the valedictory function as well as the conference, we extend to you all our very warm welcome. We trust that you will be able to have an inspiring experience as you attend the sessions of this conference. To all those who have gathered here this evening, our beloved brothers and sisters, parents, and all those who are here, we extend to all of you our very warm welcome. We thank you that on this working day you have taken the trouble and they have managed the traffic situations to be present here. To all of you, we extend to you our very warm welcome.
The Catholicos and Malankara Metropolitan, the supreme head of our church, is the 91st successor of the apostolic throne of St. Thomas, the youngest amongst the supreme hierarchical order. Under his humble and able leadership, the church is progressing well in spiritual and temporal affairs. May I request Your Holiness to inaugurate this function by his words of blessings.
ത്രിയേക ദൈവത്തിൻ്റെ തിരുനാമത്തിന് മഹത്വമുണ്ടായിരിക്കട്ടെ. ഓണറബിൾ ലഫ്റ്റനന്റ് ഗവർണർ ഓഫ് ഡൽഹി, ഹിസ് എക്സലൻസി തേജേന്ദ്ര ഖന്ന, ഓണറബിൾ യൂണിയൻ മിനിസ്റ്റർ ശ്രീ മുല്ലപ്പള്ളി രാമചന്ദ്രൻ, ബ്രദറൻ ബിഷോപ്സ്, റവറൻ ക്ലേജി, dignitaries and lay leaders, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to be back in the national capital once again, and that too for a momentous and milestone setting occasion as this when we have gathered together to mark the conclusion of the Platinum Jubilee celebrations of the Orthodox Christian Youth Movement, a worldwide institution of our church that has done us proud over these last 75 years. During this period, it has grown to be one of the most vibrant and largest such an institution across Asia. My joy is doubly compounded today as I have the privilege of sharing the dais with the two leaders of national eminence who have not only made their mark in their respective spheres of activity and leadership, but have also proved their secular and compassionate credentials through their contributions and willing hearts to the welfare and cause of the Indian Orthodox Church and its members as they have to other spiritual and religious denominations. I have learned that during the various important positions he has held, His Excellency Sri Tejendra Khanna and his office have at different points of time been supportive in getting various government clearances for our churches and institutions in the national capital. I take this opportunity to thank him and may God bless him. Sri Mullapalli Ramachandran has held important political positions in the Union Ministry and in the state over the years, and we are fortunate that our request and his wise counsel have often resonated with each other. Thank you very much and may God bless you too, Honorable Minister. As the Church celebrates this coming year in 2012, the centenary of the re-establishment of the Catholicate in our country, it is reassuring to note that the Church has always stood for the unity, peace and secularism of our nation. But it is our duty, I believe, to follow the path that our Lord Jesus Christ showed us through his sacrifice on the cross for the cause of justice and peace. I thank God for his protection and all my children and other important leaders who prayed and stood by us during the last week, those very difficult days. We are also children of a nation where Mahatma Gandhi, whose birthday we celebrated just 3 days back, showed us the path of non-violence, peace and fasting. With the permission from leaders of other communities, I would like to say a few words in Malayalam to my children here. സഹോദരങ്ങളെ, 3-4 ദിവസം ഭാരതത്തിന്റെ തലസ്ഥാന നഗരിയിൽ അന്തർദേശീയ തലത്തിലുള്ള നമ്മുടെ സഭയുടെ യുവജന പ്രസ്ഥാനത്തിന്റെ അംഗങ്ങൾ ഒരുമിച്ച് സമ്മേളിച്ച് ഒരു പ്രത്യേക വിഷയത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് പഠനം നടത്തുകയും അതിൽ നിന്ന് ചില തിരിച്ചറിവുകൾ സമ്പാദിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യണമെന്നുള്ള അർത്ഥത്തിൽ ഇവിടെ സമ്മേളിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അത് വളരെ നമ്മുടെ അസ്തിത്വത്തിന്റെ സമവാക്യം എന്തെന്ന് തിരിച്ചറിയാനുള്ള ഒരു സമ്മേളനം